Let's talk about now video streaming. First of all, let's see streaming versus encoding. Streaming and encoding are not correlated. Streaming has to do with the bytes and their movement from one point to another. Encoding has to do with the conversion of media, sounds and images to bytes and back. What is streaming video? Streaming video means that the content of a video is compressed. When compressed, is sent over the internet and then displayed on a web page. The verb to stream refers to the process of delivering media in this manner. It refers to the delivery method of the medium rather than the medium itself, and is an alternative to downloading. The advantage of streaming video is to play a video file with no need to wait to download it. The video or media is sent over the internet in form of a continuous stream of data. Once arrived to its destination, the video is played. To display a video file, you need a player. The player is a software tool which uncompresses and displays the video data. It also sends the audio data to the speakers. You can integrate the player on a web page to view the video in an internet browser. Or you can download it as a program and view the video from the desktop of a computer. Let's see streaming video technologies. The major streaming video and streaming media technologies include Real System G2 from Real Network, Microsoft Windows Media Technologies, including its NetShow services and Theater server. Video. Microsoft's approach uses the standard MPEG compression algorithm for video. The other approaches use proprietary algorithms. Microsoft's technology offers streaming audio streaming audio at up to 96 kbps, streaming video at up to 8 mbps. However, the streaming process will be limited to the data rates of the connection. Microsoft's streaming media files are in its Advanced Streaming Format, ASF. Let's talk about podcasting. Streaming video is usually sent from video files, but can be distributed as part of a live broadcast feed. In a live broadcast, the video signal is converted into a compressed digital signal and transmitted from a special web server enabled for multicast, which will send simultaneously the same file to different users. Live streaming. Live streaming refers to the content delivered live over the internet. It requires a form of source media, for example a video camera, an audio interface, a screen capture software, an encoder to digitize the content, a media publisher, a content delivery network to distribute and deliver the content,